To upload a receipt to Bill4Time, follow these steps. First, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Expenses tab. This is where you will manage all your receipts and expenses. Next, click on the New Expense button to create a new expense entry. You will be prompted to fill out a form with details about the expense, including the date, vendor, and amount. Now, to upload your receipt, click on the Add Receipt button. This will allow you to select the receipt file from your computer. Make sure the file is in a compatible format, such as PDF or JPEG. Once you have selected the file, click Upload to attach the receipt to the expense entry. You can also add a description or notes about the receipt if needed. After uploading the receipt, review the expense entry to ensure all the information is accurate. You can then save the expense entry and the uploaded receipt will be stored in your Bill4Time account. It is a good practice to regularly upload your receipts to Bill4Time to keep track of your expenses and to make it easier to generate reports and invoices. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload your receipts and manage your expenses in Bill4Time. Remember to always verify the accuracy of the information and to store your receipts in a secure and organized manner. This will help you to stay on top of your expenses and to make the most out of Bill4Time. In conclusion, uploading a receipt to Bill4Time is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can easily upload your receipts and manage your expenses in an efficient and organized way.